People used to say that cracking your knuckles leads to arthritis. That's been disproven. If you consistently crack your knuckles, you may have lower grip strength.
I do feel like loosened up after I crack my fingers.
Is that a placebo, or is there actually any research about I crack my back, it feels better?
Every time you're cracking your back, you're taking it through the full range of motion. When you bring circulation, muscles heal better, they move better. In fact, that's why they crack, because you're putting them to their end range of motion. So you're kind of stretching that joint space, you're popping that air bubble, you're creating that noise. But it's really the stretching and the movement that's making you feel good, not the actual pop.